Hi guys, welcome to my 4.1.1 Arithmetic Operators class. It is part of the operators and we'll start with the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. And after that, the next topic will be about relational operators. But let's get started with the first one. Um, let's start it. All right. As you know, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all of them in our, like as you remember the math class, maybe didn't know about modulus, I will show you in some way. Let's get started with the addition. First, we can include our library. For example, we can say iostream, and we can import string in some way, like that. Yes. We can use our namespace std in here to make our jobs easier from like standard library from iostream to use this count and the other guys without prefix. And now we can call our operating system like that. Maybe let's do it here. It will look like better. So now we can say integer number one, that is type. We will show their integer. Number one is 5, for example. Integer number 2 is equals 3. And integer sum is equals number 1 plus number 2, right? Now let's come down in here and we can say cut. We can start to add our values there. We can say the sum of the we can come here, we can say number 1. After that we can say sum of the number 1 and continue. Number 2 is equals to number 1, or exactly sum. We can say add handle, yes, and we can put our semicolon there to end it. First, let me run that and see what will happen if it creates the file. If it's already created, I'm not sure. Let's check it in here. Operators exit in here. Okay, our file is already there, and now I will come here and I will say cd, and let's go to C++ file, go to introduction. After that, in here we have file, which is we can say gcc, like that, and after that dot backslash. Our file name, in this case it will be cpp, not comments, cpp operators. All right, it's already there, by the way, just I created some more, so maybe you can think like that. So for run that, what we are doing, are you remember that how we doing this stuff? So we just saying dot backslash, and after that we just writing our file name, that's all. What is our file name? File name is cpp operators, right? When you run that, everything will be cool. And where is the output? So now let's run the output. What will happen? Okay, why I run first our exe file? Because maybe we will get some like input from user like in the future. For that I just made it ready. So in other way, if you're just working without interaction, like the normal way, you can get output in here. Okay, but when you want some interaction, you need to use this exe file. So this one, application. Let's close that. Okay, the sum of the 5 and 3 is equals to 8. It works. as you see. Let's do same stuff for about um, subtraction. Let's copy all of these codes, come back to here, add there, and just say 5 3. In this case, I want to make it minus. So we want to subtract it. Yeah. And we can say like that, and we can change it to like that. So then we can say also for here the subtraction of the, you can say like that, run that, and the sum, not the sum, sorry, just save it and run that again. Where is it? Okay, it's already in here. Oh, what's wrong in here? Integer and 2 and 2 is 3 3 3. Oh, okay. So what's wrong in here? Redeclaration of integer 2. Integer 1 is 5. Oh, okay. Okay, let's say 6. It is 6 and it is like 4, like that. Let's run that and see what will happen. Integer n2, this one. Okay. Sub in here. Sub. Okay, let's change the variable name. For example, let's close this one. Let's run that right now. It's about declaration. In this case, close this file, run that again. If it works, because I don't know reason it just gives this error each time. What is that? Integer n2 previously declared in here. Yeah, but I saved that. Like, what's going on? All right, yeah, it works. I just forgot to save it. The subtraction of the 6 and 4 is equals to 2. Yeah, that's true. Let's close that one too. So now we can do same thing for the multiplication. Let's do that again. Come down and right, open that, just put multiplication sign there, this one, and just change something. We can say multiplication of the n1 and n2 is, we can say multi, or I don't know, say multi, like that. And when you run that, it will show you again same code, because we need to save file. You can make Control S. The multiplication of the 6 and 4 is equals to 24. As you see, it works too. All right, let's apply same stuff for the division. This is just simple math things, but just I'm showing in like C++ how things works. Let's do that like that and say div, open that. Let's say division of the n1 and n2 is, let's say, div. Just change things, everything will be ready. Save it before run that. The division of the 6 and 4 is equals to 1. Yeah, that's exactly like that. So what if you think, like, if you use this one, it will not work like that in here. So that's all. Okay, so that's all for now. Look at that, we have modulus. So how we can use that? As you know, modulus is helping us to see the remainder part of the numbers. For example, if we divide 6 to 4, it will be what? Into 6, we have 1 time 4, right? And there will be 2 remainder. Would you like to try that? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, we will change nothing in here. Just say modulo division. mm, Modulo division of the n1 and n2 is equals to, let's say, module. Let's say module like that. Do that like that. Just run that. After, save it. Modulo division of the 6 and 4 is equals to 2, because when you divide 6 to 4, we have 1 time 4 into the 6, and it will give you 2 remainder, right? Even if you do that 10, it will be again what? 2, isn't it? Let's run that and run it again. 2, because if you divide 10 to 4, it will be like 2 times 4 is 8, and then we have remainder 2. If you say 3, like 11, it will be 3. Okay, as you see, 3, because it's just doing something like that. 11, in 11, how many times we have 4, for example? As we know, it is 2 times, right? And it's saying if it is 2 times, then we have their 3 remainder number, because 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 plus 3 is what? 11. This is the modulo operator, okay? And we made it like that too. That's all for about arithmetic operators. I hope you understand. The next class will be about our other topic, will be about relational operators. See you there. I hope you understand about that, okay? Thank you. Good luck.